Welcome back to our series on Lightspeed Framework features. Today we will take a peek at our workflow integration in the framework. Almost every application these days have workflows built into them. As much as they can be integrated at design time, the need to tweak them at runtime arises very often. The primary objective of our workflow integration in the framework is to have a dynamic navigation based on the action performed on a specific entity and the details of the data. Usually, workflows are hard-coded and thus require a new release whenever they are revised. At present, our workflow integration is limited to the navigation process, but can very easily be extended to other actions, like sending reminders or triggering other processes. Since we wanted to keep our base framework light but flexible. Let's walk through a use case of when a new customer is added, we need to take the user to the next step, which is usually a new invoice for the newly added customer. And in case the user does not need to create an invoice, they can very easily close the form. As you can see, this workflow is defining our requirement. We have made this somewhat more specific to limit it only when the contact name is John Smith, to take us to add a new invoice for John Smith. And in case the contact name is not John Smith, it will simply keep us on the customer form. If we need to make this workflow apply to all customers, we can very easily clear out the condition. Let's see how it works by adding a new customer whose contact name is John Smith. As seen during this demo, the built-in workflow feature works quite nicely in a seamless way. You can use the workflows to build a wizard-based solution where individual actions can be brought together based on the details of the data that can be updated at runtime with no code change. We do realize that our standard implementation of workflows is not a replacement for more complex workflow solutions available in the market. But if you're looking to build a custom workflow application with workflow maps and nodes, it's very doable with low code using our framework. Thanks for watching, and we encourage you to watch other features of the Lightspeed framework. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us.